Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm showing you how to make jook, which is a Chinese rice soup, and I think just about everyone is familiar with it, whether you're in China, in Hawaii, or on the mainland, or other places. And what I did here, we roasted a 21-pound turkey for Thanksgiving. And these are the bones that I put in the freezer to keep it fresh. And what I did was I took this pot here and I put the carcass in it. And also I put in some stalks of celery, carrots, and onion, and a piece of ginger. And I put 3 quarts of water over it. And then I put it on the stove, brought it to a boil, and cooked it for 2 hours. But you can cook it more, like a lot of people cook it up to 4 hours, so that's fine. Okay, so now it's done. So I have this thing called a chinois. It's like a Chinese hat. It's like a strainer, but it's really good. It holds a lot. So in a bigger pot, I put the bones and then I'll pour in the stock. Okay, I'm pouring everything into the chinois and straining it because you don't want to eat all the bones and all the impurities. Okay, you can see the bones are all broken up and it's really cooked down. So now I'm going to put the chinois in a bowl, get it out of the way. So I ladled out as much of the grease as I could, and we don't want that part. So now I'm going to measure. If I have 8 cups or 16 cups, which is 4 quarts of water or a gallon of stock. So let's see what we have here. Okay, that's 2 quarts here. And then let's see if we have another 2 quarts. Oh, very good, just right. Okay, now I'm going to pour it in here. Now, if you want to make jook and you don't have a turkey carcass, but you just want to eat the jook, you can just take like some chicken and cook it, or some just good broth and cook it, and then later on add the other things. Now, for every 8 cups of stock, I have 1 cup of rice, so this is double. So I'm putting 2 cups of rice in here, and then I'm putting some celery, let's see, 1 cup of each celery. Actually, this is 4 stalks and about 2 carrots. And then maybe some onions, but I think I got a little bit too much onions here, so, okay. So that's all you do. Now this is going to cook for about an hour and a half. And you have to stir it every so often because the rice is underneath and you don't want it to stick and burn, okay? So now I'll put this on the stove. The jook has been cooking with the rice for about 1.5 to 2 hours. Take the lid off, see all the steam come out, and you can see how thick it is, and the rice has been all kind of mashed up. That's what you want, this consistency. The way my mother made it, and the people, the Cantonese in Hawaii, they never put carrots and onions and celery. but my family here likes it that way, so that's what we have. And I also picked off most of the meat from the bones and cut it up. And then I added some fresh turkey left over and put it in. So you can put as much turkey and vegetables as you like, okay? So I'm gonna serve myself up some. And this is really good, especially for people who are not feeling well. So this jook is very warming, especially on cold weather. The elderly especially like it because they don't have to chew very much. They can just swallow it. And it's very soothing to the throat. So usually they put some, this is iceberg lettuce that is shredded up. And in Hawaii, this is how we serve it, like this. And then put some cilantro, as much as you like. Some green onions. Now, some people put peanuts, sesame oil, and other things, but I just do it this way. And then you can put in a little soy sauce. Not too much, okay? And then you mix it up and you eat it. Now, jook can be made in different ways. My mother used to cook intestines and pork stomach separately, season it, cut it up, and then when serving, she used to put it into the jook. So many different ways. She also used to take pork liver and marinate it a little bit and cook it separately or put it in the hot jook and eat it that way. And it's very mild, easy to eat, and one bowl like this is very filling to me, but you can eat more. Very good. And usually people don't like too much salt, so at the end people can put their own salt in it. If you liked this video, smash that like button. Comment and subscribe to help this channel. Mahalo for watching. Thank you.